Would you like a kitchen island this big? Stick around to see the rest of this beautiful house. Thank you very much for tuning into the Austin City Brothers YouTube channel. Here we drop weekly videos to show you the best of Austin's real estate. So be sure to subscribe so you do not miss on any of the weekly videos we have for you. This home is built by Ashton Woods Builder in the master plan community of Headwaters in Dripping Springs. Just over 3,000 square feet of living space, 5 bedrooms, and 4 full baths. This is a modern farmhouse style, which is very, very popular in this neighborhood. You have limestone on the lower exterior side. As you enter, you see this large foyer, and to your left we have the formal dining room. We have railing staircases that goes all the way around the second story. Now let's take a look at this beautiful kitchen with an oversized island that has all the space that you need. The kitchen overlooks the living room that has high ceilings and sliding glass doors, which opens all the way to allow the fresh air in. Good sized backyard, especially if you have children or pets to run around. And here's the view from this side of the home. As you can see, very open and roomy. To the right is where we have your informal dining or breakfast nook. The selections in this kitchen are very, very modern and very interesting colors. I really like the dark backsplash and then the gold for the handles. You got a 5-burner Whirlpool. Oven and microwave stackable. let's back up and take a look at this room, which is your laundry room. One downside to this home, I believe it's the pantry. It's a little small for especially a larger family with, 3 or 4 kids. But you have a 3-car garage instead that will allow you to store some of those goods in there, and it's right next to it. So it kind of covers up the flaw. This home has a tankless water heater and also is plumbed for water softener loop. Now, one more look from this angle. This is what we call it, usually a planning center. Let's say you want to have your calendars and your notebooks stored over there, or it could be a little bar. Now, this is the master bedroom. Nothing too special about it. It's not as roomy. After all, this is a relatively smaller home for a 5-bedroom home. Really nice selections on the floors. Engineered wood. And let's check out the master bath. It has both the stand-up shower, which is pretty spacious, and herringbone tile work. It also has the freestanding tub. USB chargers, which is a really nice selection. Now let's go take a look at upstairs. So immediately we have the loft, which could be either a game room or you can also put a couch and a TV up here for the kiddos. Look at that hill country view. Headwaters is known for its hill country views. If you're looking for your next beautiful home in the Austin, Texas area, you can go down to the description below to schedule a one-on-one consultation, or better yet, just pick up the phone and give us a call. Austin City Builders are here to serve you and your family with all of your real estate needs. So the rooms are a relatively decent size. Then we have another bathroom over here. This is this 3rd full bath. And this is the last bedroom. Which also has its own full bath. So probably the daughter of the family or the older son can take up this room. And this is the view for the neighbors. Thank you very much for watching this video all the way to the end. And we look forward to hearing from you.